Every morning, when the first rays of sunlight penetrate through the curtains, we have the opportunity to begin life with a clean slate on which to write the story of our day. It is a moment that holds enormous potential, but one that many of us often overlook in our haste to dive into the hustle and bustle that awaits us. But what if I told you that the Stoics, some of the most profound thinkers of antiquity, considered this early part of the day not only important, but also the most powerful? They saw dawn not only as the beginning of a new day, but also as a sacred opportunity to set the tone for everything that follows. The Stoics understood that in these quiet early moments, our minds are at their most malleable and receptive. By intentionally directing our thoughts and actions during this time, we can dramatically change our perspective, build resilience, and enhance our enjoyment of life. Because Stoicism is not just about enduring hardships, it is about turning every ordinary day into an extraordinary opportunity for growth and fulfillment. It is the realization that every moment, especially the quiet ones immediately after waking up, is a chance to live a life filled with purpose and meaning. Contemplation practice is not just about quieting the mind, it is about seeing the big picture, recognizing the transitory nature of life, and aligning with what is truly important. Imagine starting your day by finding a quiet corner where the noise of the world around you fades away. You close your eyes, take a deep breath, and begin to imagine the vastness of the universe. You imagine stars being born and dying, galaxies swirling in their majestic dance over the centuries, great civilizations rising and falling. This grand panorama of change and continuity mirrors our own lives, reminding us that in the grand scheme of things, our time is but a moment. But what a precious moment it is. This practice is not meant to make us feel insignificant. Rather, it deepens our gratitude for the moments we have. By recognizing the larger scope of existence, we can see our own lives in a clearer light, allowing us to prioritize what truly enriches our lives. When we realize that our time is limited, don't we want to focus on what's truly important? Thinking like this helps us distinguish between the urgent and the truly important. It cuts through the noise of everyday distractions and aligns us with our true priorities. Starting your day with this perspective helps you see the little things for what they are, small, fleeting problems that aren't worth the stress they often cause. More importantly, this habit fosters a deep sense of gratitude, waking up, breathing, participating in the dance of life. Another day is a gift, not a given. So give yourself this gift of perspective every morning. Not only will it prepare you to face the day with more peace and focus, it will imbue your actions with a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment. Another powerful practice is keeping a diary. The simple act of writing down your thoughts each morning can be transformative. Do you jot down fragments of a dream, thoughts from yesterday, or something you're looking forward to? The act of writing down on paper helps clear your mind. It's like cleaning your room. When the clutter is cleared away, what's left is much cleaner and easier to manage. That's exactly what's happening to your mind. As you write, your mind brings thoughts out into the open, giving you a clearer picture of your mental landscape. But let's take it one step further. After you've gotten your initial thoughts down on the page, shift your focus to gratitude. Write down 3 things you are truly grateful for. These can be simple things like the comfort of your bed, the warmth of your morning cup of coffee, or a stranger's kind smile. This gratitude practice is deeply Stoic. It's not just about feeling good, but about rooting yourself in the positive and real in your life, cultivating a resilient mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. Gratitude isn't just an exercise to feel better. It's a powerful tool for changing your outlook. When we focus on what we're grateful for, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we do have. This shift in focus can have a profound effect on our mood and overall outlook on life. What's more, it helps us build resilience. By regularly practicing gratitude, we train our minds to find the good in any situation, even in the face of difficulty. Don't stop at gratitude, though. Use this quiet moment of reflection to reflect on your actions and how they align with the Stoic virtues of wisdom and courage. Ask yourself whether my actions yesterday reflected these virtues. How can I embody them more fully today? This isn't about harshly criticizing yourself, but about gently guiding yourself back to your core principles. It's about aligning your daily intentions with the broader, deeper values of Stoicism. Think of your journal as a tool and companion on your journey of personal growth. Yes, it's there to record your thoughts, but it's also there to reflect them back, transforming them into insights and intentions. Over time, these pages will not only show your progress, but also remind you of the philosophical path you are on. Each entry will help you build a more conscious and purposeful life, deeply rooted in the wise teachings of Stoicism. So each morning as you pick up your pen, remember that you are not just writing, you are shaping your character. One word, one thought, one virtuous reflection at a time. The way we approach achieving our goals can also be transformed by Stoic principles. In Stoicism, there is a subtle but powerful distinction between what we want to achieve and how we choose to live each day. Goals are great. They give us direction and a sense of achievement, but they are based on the outcome of achieving some future state. Intentions, on the other hand, are about the present, about who you want to be here and now, regardless of the outcome. So how do you move from goal setting to intention setting? It starts with a simple but profound question every morning. Who do I want to be today? These aren't roles or responsibilities, but qualities and virtues. Maybe you want to be patient in the face of adversity, or compassionate towards others, including yourself. These aren't tasks to check off a list. They are ways of being that you consciously choose. Once you've set these intentions, write them down. Putting pen to paper is powerful. It makes your intentions more concrete, more real. But more importantly, it's a commitment you're making. This practice fits perfectly with the Stoic approach to living a life of virtue. Instead of being guided by external accomplishments, you are guided by an internal compass. What does this look like throughout the day? Let's say you set an intention to be more patient. This intention will subtly guide your responses. When you find yourself in an unpleasant situation, that moment of reflection will remind you of your intention. You take a breath, slow down, and respond with patience. Not because you have to, but because that is how you have chosen to be today. Setting intentions is, first and foremost, living intentionally. By deciding each morning on the virtues you want to embody, you are not just planning your day, you are shaping your character. Over time, these daily intentions contribute to shaping a life that is not only more aligned with Stoic principles, but also richer and more authentic. It's about making each day a conscious expression of your deepest values. So as you write down your intentions each morning, remember that you are laying the foundation for a life lived with purpose and integrity. In a world where happiness is often equated with comfort, it may seem counterintuitive to suggest that true growth, the kind that strengthens the soul and sharpens the mind, often comes from facing challenges rather than avoiding them. But that is the core truth of the Stoics. The Stoics were more than armchair philosophers. They practiced what they preached, using discomfort as a tool to build resilience. Think of it this way. When you choose to face something uncomfortable, you are training yourself in the same way an athlete trains their body. Whether it's taking a crisp, cold shower to start your morning, or choosing to forego that first cup of coffee. These actions are not simply a physical challenge, but a reminder that comfort is not a prerequisite for fulfillment. Stepping into a cold shower isn't just a shock to the body. It's a moment of overcoming the instinct to retreat into warmth. It's a reminder that you can handle more than you often allow yourself to. And when you give up coffee, you remind yourself that your energy and drive come from within, not from external stimulants. These practices are aimed at strengthening your inner strength and independence. But there is a deeper layer connected to Stoic philosophy. By willingly accepting discomfort, you prepare yourself for the inevitable unpleasantness that life will throw at you. The idea is not to suffer unnecessarily, but to develop a kind of psychological fortitude that will help you stand firm in the face of life's challenges. It is about cultivating a mindset that finds satisfaction and peace, regardless of external conditions. So each morning, when you choose to push through a little discomfort, remember that you are not just pushing through a momentary challenge, you are laying the foundation for resilience that will help you weather much greater storms. This daily practice is a powerful affirmation of your own strength and an integral part of the Stoic life. It teaches us to appreciate comfort when it is available without becoming dependent on it. Embracing discomfort, then, is not just a toughening up, but a liberation to live with greater peace, no matter the circumstances we find ourselves in. It is a daily reminder that true happiness lies not in avoiding discomfort, but in facing it with courage and grace. Thought and meditation, while often associated with Eastern philosophies, also have an important place in the Stoic tradition. These practices help us focus on the present moment, which is a key element of Stoic philosophy. The Stoics taught that we should only worry about what we can control, our own thoughts, actions, and reactions. Everything else is beyond our control and not worth worrying about. Take a few minutes each morning to practice meditation. This could be as simple as focusing on your breathing, noticing the sensations in your body, or the sounds around you. The goal is not to empty your mind, but to become more aware of your thoughts and feelings without becoming attached to them. This practice helps develop the ability to choose how to respond to your thoughts and emotions, rather than being consumed by them. In the context of Stoicism, this practice reinforces the principle of entertaining what we can and cannot control. When you sit in meditation, thoughts will inevitably arise. Some of these thoughts may be about the day ahead, others about the remnants of the day that is past. The key is to observe these thoughts without dwelling on them. Instead of reacting, simply acknowledge them and bring your attention back to the present moment. This trains your mind to stay focused and calm, even in the face of distractions or challenges. Over time, this mindfulness practice will help you develop a Stoic mindset that is focused on the present, accepting of what comes, and grounded in the knowledge that you have the ability to choose how you respond to any situation. It is about cultivating inner peace, not by avoiding life's challenges, but by meeting them with clarity and composure. Each morning, as you sit in thoughtfulness, remember that you are not just practicing a technique, you are embodying a core Stoic principle that will serve you throughout the day and beyond. Another valuable morning practice is reading and reflecting on Stoic philosophy. The works of Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus are timeless sources of wisdom that can help you navigate the complexities of modern life. Reading these texts each morning sets the tone for your day with time-tested knowledge. Whether you're reading a passage from Marcus Aurelius's Meditations or a letter from Seneca, take the time to absorb the wisdom these teachings offer. Don't just read passively, engage with the material. Ask yourself how these lessons apply to your own life. What challenges are you facing today that these ancient philosophers may have faced in their own way? How can their wisdom help you navigate your day with greater grace and composure? Reading Stoic principles daily isn't just an intellectual exercise, it's a way to prepare your mind for the day ahead. By starting your day with Stoic wisdom, you arm yourself with the tools you need to handle whatever comes your way with a balanced perspective. You remind yourself that while you can't control the events of the day, you can control how you react to them. And in that reaction lies your power, your freedom. Finally, consider embracing the Stoic concept of love of fate. This is not simply accepting what happens, it is accepting everything that comes your way with enthusiasm. It is recognizing that every experience, pleasant or painful, is an opportunity to grow and live in accordance with your virtues. Each morning, when setting your intentions for the day, commit to practicing Amor Fati. This means accepting whatever the day brings with open arms, knowing that it is all part of the great tapestry of life. When you approach the day with this mindset, difficulties become opportunities to test your virtues, and joys become moments to express gratitude. By beginning your day with the intention of accepting everything that comes your way, you set the tone for unconditional positivity. You are not just getting through the day, you are thriving, finding meaning and fulfillment in each moment. This mindset fosters a deep inner peace, helping you navigate life's ups and downs with grace and resilience. In conclusion, each morning is a unique opportunity to set the tone for your day and, by extension, your life. By incorporating these Stoic practices into your morning routine, you can cultivate resilience, wisdom, and gratitude. Remember that each day is a new opportunity to live with intention. Align your actions with your deepest values and set out on your journey with courage and joy. Choose your path with courage and cherish each chapter of your life's journey. By starting your day with the intention of accepting everything that comes your way, you set the tone for unconditional positivity. You don't just get through the day, you thrive, finding meaning and fulfillment in every moment. This mindset fosters a deep inner peace, helping you navigate life's ups and downs with grace and resilience. In conclusion, each morning is a unique opportunity to set the tone for your day, and by extension, your life. By incorporating these Stoic practices into your morning routine, you can cultivate resilience, wisdom, and gratitude. Remember that each day is a new opportunity to live with intention. Align your actions with your deepest values and set out with courage and joy. Choose your path boldly and cherish each chapter of your life's journey.